Installation of WordPress plugin. If you have an active WordPress theme on your website, you can use the Nicepage plugin only to edit the page content. To install the plugin, open nicepage.com. Click the big red download button. Download the Nicepage plugin for WordPress as a zip file. Open your WordPress administration. Go to Plugins, Add New. Click the Upload plugin button. Browse for the zip file or drag it. Click the Install Now button. Click Activate Plugin button to activate the install plugin. There's the new Nicepage section in the WordPress sidebar. After the activation, you see the wizard. In the wizard dialog, you may skip the step offering to install the default content. On the last step of the wizard, click the Create Page button to create a new page. You may select a preset template. You may save your page. The update is available as for the desktop applications as for the plugins. When a new version is released, you will see a notification. Open Plugins. In the Nicepage row, click the Update Now link. Open any page. Click the information icon to verify the installed version. You have learned how to install and update the Nicepage plugin for WordPress, how to create and edit pages with Nicepage plugin for WordPress.